Good evening, everyone. Today we embark on a journey to explore the unparalleled opportunities that studying in Canada offers, and how Marwah Overseas Education can be your guiding star in this endeavor. Canada is not just a country of breathtaking landscapes, but also a beacon of academic excellence. With institutions that consistently rank among the top globally, it offers a diverse and inclusive environment for students worldwide. Navigating the path to international education can be daunting. That's where Marwah Overseas Education steps in. Our mission is to transform aspirations into achievements. From selecting the right course and institution to visa assistance and pre-departure briefings, we stand by you at every step.
Thanks to Marwah Overseas Education, I'm now pursuing my master's in Toronto. Their personalized guidance made all the difference.
Our commitment goes beyond paperwork. We understand that each student is unique, with distinct goals and challenges. Our tailored approach ensures that your journey is as smooth as possible. Our team comprises seasoned professionals who bring a wealth of experience and dedication. We prioritize your dreams and work tirelessly to make them a reality. On an educational journey abroad is a significant decision. With Marwah Overseas Education by your side, you are not alone. Together, let's unlock the doors to a brighter future in Canada. Visit Marwah Overseas Education. Contact 9248-7778-32 9398-05-6134.